So what's my experience then as a player? So essentially when I come into the game and I log in, what will happen is I will log in wearing a certain hat as an executive of the company that I've got. That company that I have will then have interactions or relationships with other organizations in world. The game will throw out particular tasks and challenges that need to be navigated. Those tasks and challenges may be something that's specific to just something that's happening in the organization itself, like uh, there's a disciplinary hearing coming up, and you have to decide whether, based on the criteria that's given to you, whether the person is going to be um, reprimanded, what type of reprimand they're going to get, whether they're going to be let off, whatever the case is, and you'll then engage with that. So that would be like an internal HR case. Alternatively, there would be another type of task that would come through which would instruct you to engage with one of the other companies in world, and the other company, there might be some sort of dispute or interaction that you'd have to navigate through or go and manage. Now what we'd do in that case, because those other companies all have individuals who are running them as well, that other company would also be given an alert or be given the challenge on the same day related to the same dispute, or the same day or the same period, whether it's a day or a week or a couple of hours or whatever the time frame is with that the game runs through. What will then happen is you'll then have to go and essentially step out of the game and interact. Now, again, when I say step out of the game, I'm talking about it's not necessarily going to be built in that particular transaction that you're going to be able to go and interact with other people. So ideally, you'd walk away and you'd go and have a real world face-to-face conversation with the leaders of that other organization, and then come back and input your responses and the agreements that you came to or the decisions that you made into the game, which would then allow you to move on. But it is very possible that particularly in large multinational organizations, that the people that are running the company will not necessarily be in the same office or same physical locality. So in game, there is a chat client that essentially, like a WhatsApp or an instant messaging platform, will allow you to initiate and manage a text-based conversation with the real-world people that are running that other organization in order to facilitate the decisions that need to get made. Obviously, that process is a little bit slower than a real-world face-to-face conversation, but it would be there to overcome any particular geographic limitations.